Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today sharing everyone's all-time favorite dessert recipe, that's how to make Gulab Jamun at home. That super soft, fluffy and melt in mouth delicious dessert. Do watch the complete video as I have shared several tips and tricks to prepare perfectly soft and fluffy Gulab Jamuns at home. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So here I have made Gulab Jamun with a ready-made mix, that's Shan's. So let me show you how to make perfectly soft mouth-melting Gulab Jamuns. For that, empty the mixture into a bowl. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Now mix it well. As shown, crumble the ghee very well into the mixture with a very light hand. Once it's mixed well, to this gonna add warm milk. So add 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time and then mix it. A quick tip, never knead the mixture. Just mix it as shown very well and you get a sticky dough. Once you reach to a stage where the dough has turned sticky and it sticks to your finger, that means it's done. So now keep it aside for some time. So it's been resting for a few minutes now. Now take a small portion. You can see it's still little sticky. If you find it too dry, you can add little milk. Now apply ghee on your palm and roll it to form a smooth round shape balls. Now you can see a smoother crack-free balls. This is how you should get. Now continue shaping the remaining dough. Just take a small portion, apply little ghee and then roll it. And you should get a smooth crack-free balls. See? It's perfect. Now continue with the rest. Once all the doughs are rolled, then we move on in frying them. For frying the Gulab Jamuns, keep the flame on lowest. And when it's slightly warm, start dropping the balls. Do not overcrowd it. The best tip on how to check the right temperature is when you drop the balls, it shouldn't change color immediately, as you can see. Slowly when it starts to cook, it will change color and it will cook evenly. Now keep stirring gently in a circular form as shown and you will see that it evenly gets cooked and also increase in size. After some time you will see that the Gulab Jamun is perfectly cooked on all sides. Once they turn golden, then we're going to take them off and drain very well. I have also shared how to make Gulab Jamuns using milk powder in my channel. We'll share the link in the description. Please do check. Now the Gulab Jamuns are done. So you can take them off. Look how perfect it is. Absolutely perfect, crack-free Gulab Jamuns are ready. I have prepared 2 packets of Gulab Jamuns here. So dropping the second batch now. And cook the same way. On the other side, I have kept sugar syrup. For 2 packets of Gulab Jamuns, I have taken 3 cups of sugar and 3.5 cups of water. To this, just added half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 lemon juice. Mix and boil the syrup for 15 minutes. And once it's done, pour the syrup into a bowl. And then to this, add the fried Gulab Jamuns. Always rest the Gulab Jamuns for some time after taking out from oil. And then add it to the hot syrup. Now leave it to rest for 2 to 3 hours. And then you can see it has increased in size and turned very soft. Really, it's very soft and it's mouth melting. Now let me break and show you how soft it is. If you follow the simple steps, you'll definitely get a very soft, fluffy and a melt in mouth Gulab Jamuns. Look at it. A super tasty, super delicious melt in mouth Gulab Jamuns is absolutely ready. You may always prepare this dessert a day in advance and trust me, it tastes way better even on the following day. So do try and share this recipe with your loved ones and enjoy delicious Gulab Jamun on any special occasions. Stay connected with Nisha Daju for many more useful videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.